Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. A major U.S. hospital system sounded the alarm last week, and the entire medical device industry is feeling the aftershock. The incident involved a sophisticated cyber attack that did not target hospital records, but the infusion pumps connected to its network. This was not a theoretical risk assessment from a white hat hacker. It was a real-world breach that forced an immediate and joint response from both the FDA and the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, or CISA. The attackers exploited a previously unknown vulnerability in a third-party software component embedded deep within the pump's firmware. This allowed them to gain access and potentially alter dosage rates, a terrifying prospect that thankfully was averted by a vigilant IT team. The device manufacturer now faces a cascade of challenges. They are grappling with a public relations crisis, a potential Class 1 recall, and intense scrutiny from regulators. Their post-market surveillance system is being tested in real time, under immense pressure. This event serves as a stark warning. The era of treating medical devices as isolated hardware is definitively over. Today, every connected device is a node on a network, and it represents a potential entry point for malicious actors. Regulators are no longer lenient on this front. The FDA's latest guidance, which became enforceable just recently, demands robust cybersecurity measures throughout the entire product lifecycle. This starts at the design phase and extends deep into post-market monitoring and end-of-life support. Manufacturers must now provide a software bill of materials, or SBOM, with their pre-market submissions. This means you must identify and account for every single line of open-source or third-party code in your product. The expectation is clear. You are responsible for vulnerabilities you did not directly create. In the European Union, the Medical Device Regulation, or MDR, places similar, if not more stringent, emphasis on total product lifecycle risk management and post-market surveillance. A failure to demonstrate proactive cybersecurity management is a direct threat to your market access on both sides of the Atlantic. For medtech companies, especially small to mid-sized innovators, this presents a significant operational burden. How do you continuously monitor for new vulnerabilities across dozens of software components? How do you efficiently and securely deploy patches to devices in the field without disrupting critical clinical workflows? The financial and reputational costs of a breach are immense, far outweighing the initial investment in a robust cybersecurity framework. This recent U.S. incident proves that proactive compliance is not just a regulatory hurdle. It is a fundamental component of patient safety, brand trust, and long-term business survival in the modern medtech landscape. This is where a proactive global regulatory partner becomes essential. Navigating this complex and rapidly evolving landscape of global regulations and emerging threats is a daunting task. For expert guidance on building a resilient regulatory and cybersecurity strategy for your medical devices, contact Pure Global. You can email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at https://pureglobal.com.